hey! Hi! Hey guys, welcome to Quarantine Cooking, episodes where we show you healthy dishes that will help you look better, feel better, and live longer. Welcome back to the channel. This is Kaina. I've been craving for this dish for a while. Unfortunately, I cannot go to the malls, but right here in our homes, we can make a healthier version of that. So if you're curious about the dish that we're going to cook, let's head over to our table and I'll show you the ingredients. You need 2 firm tofus, a cup of shiitake mushrooms. We're going to use the liquid soaked with the mushrooms to mix for our sauce. This is a half a cup of hoisin sauce, 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, this is homemade, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and soy sauce. For garnishing, we're going to use peanuts, chili flakes, and spring onions, and garlic for frying. Do you have any idea what dish we're going to make? We're going to make Charlie Chan, and we're going to make a vegan version of it. This is an Asian fusion dish, and we totally love this dish. So first, we're going to boil our pasta or our spaghetti noodles. We're going to boil water in our 4-quart mini Dutch, about 2 liters. We're gonna let this boil, and then after that, we're going to add the pasta. So while that's boiling, I've got my square griddle preheated, so now we're going to slice our tofu. Like that. With the other one. Okay. So now that's sliced, we're just going to add a little bit of sesame oil. And we're just going to lay this flat. So now we're going to go ahead and slice our shiitake mushroom. I just heard the big bubble clicking. Okay, our water's boiling. We're going to add now our pasta. We're going to add the pasta, but we're just going to use half of the noodles. And we can reserve this for another pasta dish. Okay, we're going to flip the tofu now.
Do you need help?
No. We're gonna wait for this to turn golden brown. Now let's continue chopping our shiitake mushroom. Helping me! We would like to thank Titanium Lighting Corporation or TLC for sponsoring this cooking video today. We would also like to give a big shout out to our co-chef Wilbur Fish and his director and editor Axel Yap, our Ross team, who's also doing awesome healthy home cooked videos. You can check them out here. Alright, so let's get back to cooking.
Tag teaming and helping the sister on this dish out. This is actually one of our favorite dishes in a restaurant called. So we want our mushrooms to be thinly sliced, drain it, squeeze it. Checking on the pasta, it's boiling. Charlie Chan is actually a detective somewhere in the world. It's he's a fictional character from a noir movie. So like what she said, the liquid where we soaked our mushrooms shouldn't be discarded, shouldn't be thrown away. This will be used to make the sauce. And there we have it. Those are our mushrooms. Let me go help her out by slicing these wonderful tofu. So we want to slice them into little strips. That way it's going to look like chicken, it's going to look like pork. About this big, like so. So we're gonna cut it like that. Strips of tofu.
garlic.
And there we have it. Slicing all done. Tag team this.
We actually forgot the garlic. Okay, bring it back, my brother.
So we're just gonna put our tofu aside. Yeah. Okay, I think this is good. I'm just gonna turn the pasta off. So while I do this, you should go ahead and empty out the pasta water.
Okay.
Because this might turn undesirable. I'm just gonna chop this up.
Okay, I'm back. I just discard the water, and now we're going to make the sauce for the pasta.
For the Charlie Chan.
Yeah, for the Charlie Chan. Oops.
So how do you want your garlics?
Mince.
Mincing them very small.
Well, brother.
Alright, so we're actually going to fry this up a little bit before doing the sauce. Now, using our 10-inch deep dish skillet, I'm just gonna get that onto heat. Let you prepare that.
Okay.
So we're waiting for that to be preheated. So what we're going to do now is going to fry this up. We're just going to heat all of this up. Okay. Garlic in. To flavorize the garlic right now, we are going to add a little bit of sesame oil. Just a little bit. Season that more with a little bit of salt. And would you mind passing me the shiitake mushrooms first, please?
Sure, here you go. The aroma of the garlic is... My mouth is watering right now, guys. Just gonna season some pepper.
We're adding layers of flavor.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna get a little bit of this mushroom water. And then would you pass me the tofu?
Okay.
Okay. Drop it in. Yeah, drop it all in. So this is our meat, our chicken, our pork. We're just gonna stir fry that up. And would you mind passing me the plate where we're going to put this? And again, what's great about Salad Master is you don't need to cook with the additional fat, which is what's going to suppress the intake of whatever nutrients we need. You may also choose to add in chili, which is, I think I'm going to put now.
No, we're going to add that later.
Later, but I want it to be spicy.
Oh please, we'll just amp up the...
We're gonna amp up just a tiny bit of spice.
Just give a little kick.
Turn that off and... Okay, so we're just going to transfer it here. Because this is also going to be the same pan where we are going to toss and turn the pasta. And there you have it. Like that, like that. They're squiggly, squiggly. On to the same pan. Get the heat up. Okay, so we're done frying that. I think I'm gonna let you go ahead.
Yes. So now we are going to make the sauce.
We're going to use the liquid where we soak the mushrooms. Okay, go, don't be afraid. Okay. So one of the secrets when you cook is do not be afraid. Just go with it, go with the flow. It's kind of like life.
Hoisin sauce.
Go with whatever punches the world throws at you. Okay, so that's about half a cup of hoisin sauce. That's about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Here's the soy sauce. Since we still have a little bit of liquid from the mushrooms soaking here, I'm just gonna pour that into the hoisin bowl.
Yes.
Dilute it just a little bit. And then I'm going to transfer it onto a little bowl of peanut butter and do the same. No wastage. Okay, so we're just gonna add it here. Perfect. I want to make it a little bit thicker, so go ahead, sister, and stir that up.
Okay, brother.
While you do that, I'm going to prepare our garnish, which is the onion leaves. Slice it like so. Okay, that is thickening right up. And we should turn that off. Turn it off. Yes, thank you so much. I'm chopping off the ends of the spring onions and I'm going to add it to the sauce right over here. stir that up, if you please. Then onto our pasta.
We're just going to add it to our sauce.
We're going to add it to our sauce right now. So tongs right here. So add in the pasta, stir it up. Okay, stir it up, stir it up. Little darling. We could always adjust the amount of sauce we're going to put there. So we're just going to do like that. Okay, and that's great amount to coat the pasta right now. Okay, so we're just gonna clear all of this up and we're gonna get to plating. Okay, so we're ready to plate. What you're going to do is we're going to get a large amount of this. Oops. Okay, so we're just going to plate it here on the side, like so. I'm going to rotate it so that it looks nice and cute. We are going to add here on the sides so that there's going to be a bit of a contrast later on when we take a photo of this.
Very healthy and delicious.
Would you mind getting me the peanuts, please? Okay, go ahead, go ahead. We roasted these ourselves. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. Wipe that off a bit. A little bit more peanuts here, please. A little bit of spice, just to garnish that. And of course, our green onions. And there you have it. Alright, so I think the best thing to do right now is to taste it. So grab your plate, this is my plate, and this is Vegan Charlie Chan.
Cheers. You can do this at the comforts of your home.
That's so great. So sister, thank you so much for having me.
You're very welcome. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Check out his channel for other cooking recipes as well. Yeah. And we'll see you in the next episode. Alright. See you.